Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to fix laptops that are plugged in but not charging.
Some of these models have a safety switch on the main board, which can accidentally shut down the laptop due to the misalignment of the case with the switch when being moved around or pressure on the keyboard or touchpad. So guys, when I unplugged it, it turns off automatically. Sometimes the case doesn't push hard enough against the switch to keep the power on, or the case pushes too hard and cuts the power off. So guys, you can just use some paper to increase the height of the sponge.